So I'll be showing you how to put your Oraimo FreePods 4 in Bluetooth pairing mode. Let's say you want to connect them to a device. To put them in Bluetooth pairing mode, first of all, make sure there's no other device that is connected to the Oraimo FreePods 4. If you had previously connected, then just go ahead and do a quick reset, or you can turn off the Bluetooth on that particular device. So after doing that, to put this in pairing mode, just open the case, take the FreePods out of their case, and they're now in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can see that they're in Bluetooth pairing mode because the one on the left will have that green and red light blinking rapidly. That basically means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. You can now go to the Bluetooth settings of a phone or a TV and pair and connect to the Oraimo FreePods 4. And that is how to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.